All right, y'all. Hey, it's Price mixing it up. It's a dreary day out here. Yeah, it is. We're gonna get some rain. I'm okay with the rain. So just planting those few seeds out here today. The green onions. Check in with me. You'll see what I'm doing out here. I'll show you in just a moment. So thanks for checking in with Price mixing it up. Can I get a whoop whoop? Whoop whoop. This is Price Mixing It Up. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Pamela. DIY gardening. Real talk topics. Cooking and mixing in the kitchen. Travel and trips. On the water, on the plane, on the road, on the train. There's an update. We've had rainy season. Friendly pilot going around. Look at this. The rain is doing good. Helping out here with the rain. This is where we're going right here. Look. There's those turnip greens. Collard greens. Little bugs. I'm gonna put these green onions in here with the greens. And then I thought the other day, oh my goodness, where am I gonna put my zucchini? So I'm gonna have to rethink here. Although this is not doing anything, this is the red bell pepper and the tomatoes. I think I'm gonna put these in pots, and then I'm gonna plant my zucchini in this box because it needs a lot of space, and the irrigation is set up, so I got some work to do on this one. Anyway, back to over here where the green is. These onions say frost tolerant 60 days, so as early in spring as soil can be worked. It's not quite spring, but I'm going to plant these on in here and see if they start blooming, since I have a corner or two right now. And that's an update. I just put the green onions. Look, they're actually like blue seeds, but they're black. So put a patch here. You know, I might be doing too many seeds in one spot, but I just want to see how it's going to work out. And it's nice that we're going to get some rain, so I don't have to water it myself. Anyway, this is green onions right there. And I'm putting them where the irrigation is, so that when it does stop raining, they'll be watered. So I'm gonna put the other ones right here, right next to that one. And I'm not planting them too deep. They can find their own roots and figure out where they want to be. There we go. That's half the packet on that side and half on this side. So, as I said, I am not, I'm not a experienced gardener. I'm a homemade gardener. Okay, this is Price mixing it up, y'all. So that's where I'm putting the other green onion. All right. That's my turnips. Green onions. I might be sowing these a little bit early, but it's okay. I'm not going to worry about it. They'll come up when they're ready. And this is my collards. Okay. I'm going to work this box until things start happening here. I wish I could throw some radishes in there. I don't have those seeds, but I'm starting to look at seeds now because they're available in the store. Okay, so now I did those seeds. Y'all seen the yard? What's going on out here? It's slowly growing, but it's growing. We sowed. What we do? Harvest, plant, harvest, sow, right? I think that's how you do it. So anyway, hey, it's all done. This is Price mixing it up. We're in the garden today. Look at that sky back there, y'all. We're supposed to get some rain. I forget what they call the Pineapple Express, something like that. I don't know what pineapples and express have to do with a downpour of rain. But, you know, people are people. They name things what they want to name it, right? Name it and claim it to fame. So, yes, it's a little cold out here. It's not cold like it has been, like 40 degrees. I think it's about 53 today. Anyway, I'm just getting back into the groove, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, Price mixing it up, got her groove. Gardening. Anyway, it's, you know, a good thing to have a nice sized yard to be able to work with, to be able to come up with different ideas. I still have a lot of space over there. I'm not trying to use it up all at once. Creative thinking, you know what I'm saying? Do things the way they should be done, in order and decent. I'm just liking these plants because they are coming back, rejuvenating. If you remember these from last year, they were dying away, but it was the summer, so it was really hot. This one, I'm really proud of it. Look at that. It's beautiful. Flowering. The jade is flowering. Okay, I don't have much to say, but anyway, I just wanted to give you an update. Let's see this one, the box. Remember that one? See, everything is growing nicely. It likes its new home. It likes its space. And if it likes where it is, it does well. Oh, that fell down. It was just sitting up. That's my lava rock from Hawaii. That's from Maui, y'all. But not recent Maui. About 6 years ago Maui. Yeah. Okay. So some of this succulents will get integrated into the succulent box. Just waiting for it to kind of grow up a little bit more. But I want to get a trailing succulent. Bird of Paradise is soaked out today. I gotta pour some of that water off. It's been raining so hard, but it's getting plenty of water. I want to change it. And this one is still in a pot. Yeah, pot in a pot. Yeah. So it's got plenty of water in there too. All right, y'all. Hey, I'll see you next time. I still got something else to record and some more content to drop. So hit that notification bell. Please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe. And I'll see you again next time in the yard. This is Price mixing it up. Whoop, whoop. What you gonna do? Remember to make it a great day. Can I get a whoop, whoop?